Okay. This is definitely an interesting map too.
General quarters.
Okay, so we know that so Wolf's got the bigger island, so he's gonna have cover soon. I'm actually gonna drop down to another one. I'll be back.
Yep.
Okay. Looks like Wolf is south. So they're going towards the same direction. I guess that's good for a combat standpoint, because then it won't be as boring of a match. I'm surprised we won't finish push for the outside cap for that. Unless that's exactly what Wolf is trying to do. He's got that Christmas camo. Or the New Year camo. Very cool. Okay, so Akrion, is he turning in or is he going to use the island here? Okay, so he throws his plane. That's smart. Oh, this could be nasty. If Wolf rolls out of here with AP loaded, Akrion's going to get slammed. This could really hurt. Oh my gosh. Oh, here it is. Oh! Oh my gosh! It's like 4 citadels. Whack! Oh my goodness. There's 2 angled now. Switch to AkrionXxarr. Akrion's kind of desperate. Back it up so it's aim rock this heal. We're sticking with AG. Come on, Akrion. Use your aim and mother. Okay, so looks like they're gonna split up for a bit. Akrion's gonna take B. Looks like Wolf's pushing into C. He's gonna try and reset him as often as he can. Alright, so that was a really good tussle right off the bat. That was pretty decisive for that first part. So Albemarle's got some decent plating. I want to say it's a heavy cruiser, so that's how we're looking. They're both still shooting. Wolf decided to abandon C and to keep resetting Akrion. So at this point he's really just trying to farm him, I think. He's got a significant advantage, he's twice the health. Okay, so went dark. Akrion left the cap, pushing behind the island. So what's gonna happen here? Those torps definitely don't have that range. So I think Wolf's gonna push into C. and Akrion's going to go around, and I bet you he tries to push back and to be just a little more careful. Maybe try to recover some of his health first. Alright, so we're going to be in the same situation that we were in round 1 here, where Wolf's going to have a points lead. So, him taking the cap is going to push Akrion into Bravo here. Otherwise, he's going to be at a significant disadvantage. So he's got to take it. He's using the islands. That's smart. So I think those are 8K torps. So nobody can see anybody else yet. So I think Wolf's going to have about a 30-second. Yeah, about a 30-second advantage on points, which is going to be about, I think it's like 30 or 40. So what's going to happen here? So at this rate, oh, spotted him. So Akrion's going to get slapped. No, he's angled enough. That was good. Wolf took a little hit. Looks like it took out his engine. So if he procced his repair. So if Akrion switches to HE now, he can get a permafire. He decided to ditch and just push him. So at this point, Wolf has the advantage. He's got the higher health. Akrion's stuck with AP. Hopes that he can get something until he just bounced. Push into those torps, bro. We should have Hydro. No, he managed to slide through. That's very cool. Good blade, and he might be able to get a good hit on Wolf here. Okay, so we still got AP loaded. Wolf's trying to dodge the torps as well. Okay, and we're gonna have a drive-by. So who's got AP loaded? Oh, he's gonna eat his torps. No, was that a draw? No way. Team Alpha, Wolf got him. No way. That was the fastest. I don't believe that. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Okay, well let's go back and talk to him.
Because I had more points, I'm assuming.
That was insane. So Wolf won that by like half, like a fraction of a second.
Yeah, because we both killed each other, so it's based off of points. So I had more
Oh,
points.
gotcha. That was well played, boys. Holy shit. So it ended up going into a drive-by, and you both killed each other. That was excellent. So I saw Wolf coming around the outside of that island at the beginning there, and Akrion, you were looking towards the inside of the cap, and then you popped up perfectly broadside, and he had a full salvo of AP. I was like,
yeah, we both had the same idea practically.
Yeah, right. Oh my goodness. So is that a heavy cruiser? Are those 203s?
Yeah.
Oh, big freaking whack.
It's 4 Citadels right at the beginning.
Yeah, I thought so. I was like, that's got to be 3 or 4. That was insane. Well played, both of you. So, okay, so we have Akrion 1-1, Wolf 1 another. So it looks like it's on to round 3, right?
3. Mm-hmm.
Good job, guys. These are a lot closer than I thought. I figured one of you would win by more of a stretch, you know, because usually I feel like when you do 1v1s, it's pretty one-sided.
Yeah.
So
probably helps we're in the same ship.
that does help. It does. I agree with that. Okay.
Because like, if Wolf's in a ship that doesn't have torpedoes, what's he gonna do?
Yeah, the drive-bys are a lot harder. I agree with that. Okay.